And to international news, US President Barack Obama urged the Congress to find a common ground, sparing the country a damaging government shutdown. On Capitol Hill, Republicans and Democrats are battling over federal spending. The Republicans, who control the US House of Representatives, want to curb spending. Obama's Democrats, on the other hand, who control the Senate, warn that drastic cuts could hurt the country's still fragile economic recovery. In a radio and internet address, Obama urged Congress to next week find a common ground and spare the country a damaging government shutdown. If the two parties don't find a compromise, the government will run out of cash and will be halted. The US budget deficit is forecast to reach a record $1.7 trillion this year, or almost 11% of US output under budget proposed by Obama.
I urge and expect them to find common ground so we can accelerate and not impede economic growth. It won't be easy. There will be plenty of debates and disagreements, and neither party will get everything at once. Both sides will have to compromise.
Deutsche Bank gets fined a record 1 billion South Korean won by the country's exchange for stock market manipulation. On November 11th last year, the German bank's Korean brokerage executed a large sell order, but was a minute late in informing the Korean exchange. The delay triggered a 2.7% fall on the Kospi, South Korea's benchmark index. Also, the KRX argued the firm made an unfair profit by marking huge bets on falling equity prices and subsequently issuing sell orders for stocks. The country's financial regulator now not only imposed a record fine, it also suspended some of Deutsche Bank's Korean operations for 6 months, saying the firm made over $40 million in improper profits.
We took this measure because Deutsche Bank's South Korean unit was not only entrusted with orders, which was harming fair trade, but also performed proprietary trading, hurting investor trust in our regulatory system and causing unfair impact on market prices.
International Airlines Group, formed last year by the merger of British Airways and Iberia, warned that ticket prices could rise again soon. The political situation in Libya is affecting energy prices, with oil rising yet another day. West Texas Intermediate rose to $98 a barrel, Brent to $112, amid fears of an oil supply shortage. According to BA, the rising oil price may also affect passenger numbers, as ticket prices could again go up. It has already raised its long-haul fares to reflect the rising cost of jet fuel. The newly merged International Airlines Group is more than 50% hedged against the rising kerosene prices this year. We will run you through those commodity prices in just a minute. We'll take a quick look at the Asian equity markets first, then at the oil price, followed by metals and a selection of currencies exchanged into dirhams.